What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jess, and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button for me. I appreciate that. And like I said, man, just fuck with the kid. I got content on the way, and please always like and share all my videos. I sure appreciate that too as well. But yeah, man, look, my beautiful white Christmas tree, as y'all see. Yes, today is Christmas Eve, so everyone, I hope you have a Merry Christmas Eve and have a blessed and safe day. So right now, guys, I got a couple things I want to say to you. I got a slight mod for you right now. It's actually not a mod, but I'm gonna do a DIY. I'm just changing my light bulbs to LEDs right now. So I hope you guys check that out and enjoy it. It's basically not a how-to video. It's just, you know what I'm saying, it's just something for me to upload and give you guys some content on the way. Because like I said, I have a lot of content on the way, but like I said, things take time. There's always patience, so you gotta bear with me. So yeah, but like I said, fuck with the kid, and you know what I'm saying, 2020, we going up for here, man. So I hope you guys having a blessed morning. We gonna get back at you in a minute when I get everything set up. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I'll be using the C6 headlights. I have headlights and the fog lights. They're H7 and H11 for the fogs. So I'll be testing these babies out. I got these from eBay. So I'm probably not going to put a link in the description because I'm just testing these things out and I really don't know how they are. But yeah, we going to get this thing on the popping. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a cold stop before I start this installation. Baby Zilla. Yes sir. Alright guys, so to start all this installation, first thing first you need is a clip pen. Take all the clips out. I got an 8 socket. I just use this socket right here. So what I do is I'm going to take my whole bumper off. You know what I'm saying? This is what I want to do just to get everything right. I don't want to scratch up anything. So first thing you'll do is you take out this pen, that pen, all these pens right here on the side, as you Genesis Coupe on the know. And to take the headlights off, you need to take that bolt and that bolt off. So like I said, I want to take the whole bumper off. So the first thing I'll do is I'll come over here and it's a screw under here. You got to do that. You got 2 pins under here on both sides. So like I said, same thing. It's a screw under here. Just unscrew that and 2 tabs under there, and the whole bumper come off. So we're gonna start with there. I'm gonna probably give you a time lapse of everything how it's gonna be. So tune in for that. Peace. Alright guys, I'm back. So like I said, I took off all the little clips and I took the air duct off, and now I come over here and I'm going to pry off from this side. Like I said guys, don't be scared to pull this. It's going to pull off, but you might have to put a little force on it. But like I said, don't be scared. I got that side already off. Come on this side, I got this one already off. So like I said, just pull like that. Get a little, don't be scared to, but they'll pop right off just like that. So basically, it's like I said, it's not a how-to. I'm just showing you step by step and things like that. On the headlights, you don't have to use this method just to take the headlight off. I heard you can pull this fender flare back and take off all these little bolts and everything like that, but I decided to do this because for some odd reason I just like taking off my bumper. So yeah, so like I said guys, tune in for that, and we're gonna get back at you when everything off. All right guys, so as you can see, the bumper is off. Yes sir. Just took less than almost a minute to take that whole bumper off. So I just like doing it this way, you know, so it's easy for me. I get everything out of the way. But look at that custom grill. Oh yeah. So basically, like I said, when you get everything off, you're just gonna pop everything off from the sides. So when you get it off, first thing you have to do is disconnect the fog light cord from right here. And on the other side, as you can see, then once you're done with that, you got your fog light set, all that from the side. And in order to take, like I said, the headlight off, you will need a 8 socket from right here and right there, like I said, on the same side too. And you'll use this 8 to take all that off, and it'll pop right off. So like I said guys, this is not a DIY. I'm just showing you step by step how the way I do it, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right guys, so as you see, yes, both headlights are off. Everything is clean and cleared. Got the fog light disconnectors, got them things out the way on both sides, so make sure you disconnect them. Oh yeah, lights right here y'all. So like I said, we're gonna get this thing on and popping. I'll be using the C6 headlights from eBay. Just gonna try these things out, see how they are. And they are 8K, both headlight and fog light, they're 8K. So I just want to see how the color looks. But yeah, very simple guys, step by step. So, and this how it should look. But like I said, you don't have to take the bumper off. This is just my method because I like to do this. I like to take my time, I like to be patient, everything I do, and do everything right. So like I said, and I'm going to start installing the lights, see if they work, things like that. So we're going to get back at you in a minute. Yes sir. All right guys, yes, fog light is in there. Look at it. So in order to do that, like I said, you may have to tuck some wires. What I did was I took some wires back up in this area because the little thing is going to get in the way. So for the dust boot, it can fit on there nice and properly without anything holding it back. So just like I said, the other side is on there good. Old fog light. Like I said, put that dust cover back on there and we all good. I'm gonna tighten up later, but like I said, don't worry about that. All right, so yes, off to them bad boys. Time to put the last headlight in there, and that is the 8.7. So the 8.7 will fit in the headlight, and the 8 or 11 or whatever you want to call it, they, you know what I'm saying, for the fogs. So get that thing right. Oh yo, and like I said, I'm gonna get back at you when we get these headlights in the way. Alright guys, so as you see, the headlights are finally installed. Look how they look. So they look a little deep blue. They look about 10K, and I ordered, you know what I'm saying, 8K, but it all works. Like I said, the 8.7 headlights and the 8H fog lights. So this is how they'll look. Yes sir. Oh yeah guys, So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's not a how-to. I'm just showing you the way I do it and how the way I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and do me a favor, if you want to stay updated on my videos, turn your post notification bell on, and it'll update you and let you know every video I post. You guys take it easy. Have a blessed day. Peace.